Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about a Caldera era targets with my customer said after listing with initiation accumulation pump model. Let's dive in, guys. If you watch all my previous videos, you understand what's going on now, what model we're gonna use. So it's initiation accumulation pump model for tokens after listing with the targets. I'll recommend you go and check free educational video how to work with this model, so you will understand the logic and not ask the same question or you ask it all the time. So I will show you the zone of interest, zone of distribution. So we work with these zones all the time, the last, I guess, 3 years, and this model works pretty good one. It's totally for free. No VIP chat, no VIP group, no signal chat, absolutely all information content always for free. So guys, we get a just listing price. I gonna use the Bybit. It's the lowest listing price was like 4 cents. On other exchanges, it's 6 cents. On Max, I guess, on the Binance 20 cents. On other exchanges like 40 cents even. I don't know why, but TradingView still not showing you the Bitget listing. Maybe the Bitget when it will show it later, we will use the lowest point. So first take, I guess, after listing, I guess we can of course go higher now from discount prices like consolidated, go to zone of distribution, even to minus 0.66 to 61 level FIBDA. But zone of this accumulation absolutely relevant and will be relevant. If the token not dumped to zone of interest, I just skip the tokens. So it's impossible to accumulate all of these tokens and not make sense. I highly recommend you guys go and check the fundraising rounds because it's not a brand new token. This funds, and it's happened all the time, guys. You can be sure these guys, they get tokens with the multiply wallets, and they invested 2 years ago, almost 2 years ago. Vast and Shadow, of course, this kind of interests all the time, because here early bakers, community treasures. So early bakers will start distributing their bags in August 2026. But guys, the problem is here's the untracked data, and available tokens may be unlocked at any moment. And you can be sure this is that tokens which not trackable, like not trackable, but so they will be distributed. Crazy difference between the market cap and FDV. This is a problem of this cycle. So just 14% tokens in circular supply percent, right? And it's where that one, 184 million. Tokens. FDV 1.44 billion. It's kind of crazy difference. So it's kind of weird. And for sure, some of that funds, the bakers with the multiply wallet, they're gonna dump the price now or later to the zone of interest, to their entry. So zone of interest now for speculation, guys. We talk about a speculation. 67 cents, 86, 39, 27. In this block, you can accumulate with the targets. This zone is for distribution, for the swing trades. We talk about swing trades. If the August is going to be red one, guys, more than sure, the token will dump here. No makes sense because in 90% cases after listing, even if the token move like this one without dump it later to the zone of interest, it's just a matter of time, guys. And the people all the time stock it here and after that start complaining, oh, I'm stuck. For example, if you buy now at $1.50, for example, if the token dumped to 67 cents, you will be in losses, not 50%. You will be in losses 121% because to recover back at the break to your entry to the break even, the token should pump back 121%. So, guys, highly recommend you go and check the educational video about percentage. How the influencer treat you with the DCA strategy, how all the time buy the deep, and we saw this picture since 2021. A lot of people even use DCA for XRP since 2020, 2018, and only after 7 years, they just froze the money. In only 7 years, if they not cut their losses, only now they out at the break even, for example, at tiny profit. That's why, guys, it's not always about losses. It's about a time. What's the point to froze your money when you can work with on a futures market, for example, with a second leverage, with a speculation, just with some random token, just because somebody tell you, oh, buy the deep. Guys, build a plan. If the token not dumped to this zone of interest, I'm skip this token. For speculation, I'm gonna be ready to open position here with a stop loss, guys, for sure with a stop loss, even if it's a second leverage. Guys, we saw the example when the Starknet dumped it on the listing price. Invalidation of this idea, it's a dump on the listing price. It's possible. It's possible to see 4 cents. Maybe not now. Maybe later. So guys, you can be sure. This is zone of interest. This is zone of distribution. Got it. Take a look now with my customer said after listing local. Take a look now after listing with my customer said locally what we have now, what we can see now here. This is a middle line. I'm not accumulated token when we trade in the middle line. This is still a free after listing. So better guys, at least even on the 1 hour time frame, on 4 hour time frame, 30 minutes time frame, wait when the market calm down. Some people distribute their bags, and only after that start to build an entry with a stop loss and some plan. Now it's not a crazy accumulation. Even if we go to the 30 minutes time frame, we just in the middle. So this is not accumulation, still a free. I highly recommend you guys use this set to work with additional tool. There's a lot of data, additional data for your analysis. Full set, link will be on the description below. Direction, indicator, no signal for accumulation. Nothing, guys, nothing. ADZ, we're in the middle. So this is not a time for accumulation. Time for accumulation will be here. And of course, we can go higher and distribute the bags. And time for distribution, it's here. $1.99, $2.14, $2.72. For all of these fundamental lovers, you can open the chart of Celestia, which move like this one, and let it here. Just in case, guys. And a lot of people stuck at $20 and after that dump to $2. So just don't be trapped with absolutely the same copy-paste model from the market maker, what they use for this cycle. Money power with the bottom on the 3rd minute time frame without any money inflow. Highly recommend you use this set again and add even alerts. So let's add alert, money inflow on the 1 hour time frame at least. Now, nothing, guys. I can't show you just up only bullish targets if there is no bullish targets, guys. 1 hour time frame, no data for a trade on indicator. 15 minutes time frame, no data. 5 minutes time frame. So this is local speculation. Even you can, if you like the scalp, you can use even on a 5 minute time frame. Here was a pump, leasing, sell, drop. Here's a take profit from that sell, buy back, bounce, close position, buy again. So it's just local speculation, guys. It's of course you can't trade only with one single trade on indicator, guys, because the people love this indicator. Oh, it's showing you the sell and buy. Oh, I can click just the 2 bottoms and be reached. No, guys, it doesn't work like this one. You have to work in a complex. Every single indicator is just additional tool which give you the more reason, more information for analysis. And you build the puzzle. You try to solve the puzzle. Where to in, where to out. So here now you could, I don't know, fix it like 6%. So imagine with the 10x leverage, it could be like 60% profit. But of course, with the stop loss, with the proper money management, guys. Got it. Last indicator, guys, is take profit. Take profit indicator, it's 15 minute time frame, I guess no data, right? 5 minute time frame. Of course, I use the take profit indicator at least on 12 time frame, daily time frame, weekly time frame. Now it's of course for scalp. So we're in the middle. Buy line for this token. Now it's $1.01 for the amount value of this token inside zone of interest. First zone of interest, 75 cents, 92. Take profit in zone of distribution. It's not random. $2.03 exit line, $2.28. What to do with this information is up to you guys. I'm not touching this token. I'm not talk about it only to the moon up only and all of this stupid stuff, guys. We work with realistic price target, with realistic data, right? So highly recommend you go and check free educational video how to work with this model to understand the logic. Highly recommend you use this set to see the additional information, a lot of additional information for different tokens on different time frames. We'll come back to this video later, maybe by end of the August, let's say. If you would like to trade with my customer request with 10% discount, I recommend you just go and find my link on the description below or in the pinned comment and subscribe channel. Don't forget Joe Matecom channel. See you next time, guys.